Get your bananas.
These things suck to that. That's kind of breaking.
Yeah.
I don't know what's up with the ants, but I wake up in the morning, these things are covered with fucking ants. Oh, you know those two blankets that you wash and dry?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to make this one blanket $1 a day.
Okay.
As well. Probably from sitting so long. Look.
Oh, yeah.
It's shredded.
Yeah, that's perfect for the dog then.
I mean, it is fucking shredded.
Oh, wow. I don't know. I have no idea. I thought it was a sheet or something.
I'm lost.
Oh, it's a bed skirt.
Is it the best skirt and the shake? All in one?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, you know what it is? It's a bed. What it is a bed sheet. Look there, it's a bed sheet.
Mhm.
You tuck it in, and your sheet doesn't fall. You would tuck it in like that. That end would be at the end of the bed, and it comes up.
Oh, yeah, I gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I always thought those things were unnecessary.
You're supposed to sit on the wood bed in the other one.
Do it.
You did.
Good kind of plan.
Yeah, big boy. Sorry,
See?
son. Look how you look at me like, what the fuck are you doing?
How much sleep did you get today? Did you get to go back to sleep?
Yeah, 2 hours probably.
Okay. You couldn't sleep, or?
Oh. It's getting harder and harder to fall back to sleep. I'm tired as hell. It's hard to fall back to sleep. And then, chill out. And then when I do go to sleep, I'm like, I don't know, I'm just so nervous to leave. Stepping down here, down there, the baby, so I don't get much sleep. I probably woke up at about 10 after 1. But I go to bed until like 11 o'clock. What up, stupid? You gonna eat? Hey, Gavin, look.
Just both feet crossed.
Mm-hmm. So he doesn't eat. Huh? Humidity is so bad in here, those things are sweating.
Mm-hmm.
I love Florida. I really need it. I really need to eat today. I really want to eat. I got another bag of cans out of the thing today.
Nice.
I want to hang put those garbage cans over there, or if I can. They are putting them over there. I'm pretty sure Hank put them over there.
Mhm.
All 3 of them are over there.
Mhm.
So that's why I think it's clean. Because if it was they are, it would just put one at the top.